Hey everyone, Steve Kuclo here with Evogen Nutrition, out in San Jose, 3 weeks out of the Mr. Olympia, and coming out to train with Hany, get some footage for you guys for Evogen, and also we're doing our final testing for the EVP Plus. That's pretty much the name we're going to end up with, and it's going to be the new stem-based EVP pump and stem together. Not the crazy stem, but this one's going to be EVP with some stem, so really excited. The final product is you still got a great pump, like you know, to get with EVP, plus a stem that gets you, it's a quick hitting, so it lasts pretty much through your workout. I've taken it at night and still been able to fall asleep, no problem, not up all night. So we're going to get a little workout in today and going to go ahead and get my EVP Plus in, because 3 weeks out, energy levels are hurting, so definitely need the push, and it's great that we got the product out. And so make sure you check out the next 3 weeks of the videos we got coming out, and check out Evogen Nutrition on YouTube, on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So we got them all. We're going to keep you guys updated. So Steve Kuclo, Evogen Nutrition, let's hit it.
All right, this is Hany Rambod. I'm here with Steve Kuclo. We're in San Jose, Ray's Built Tough Gym. We're about 3.5 weeks out from the 2013 Mr. Olympia. We got Steve qualified at the Europa show. He won that. Now we're getting ready, hitting up some back. Instead of doing upper back first, we're actually doing switching it up a little bit. We're going to be doing the rows first, thickening up those lower lats first, and then we're going to work our way up. So a little more unconventional, but we want to try to shock that body into growing.
Good. 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 There you go. Good. Good. Good.
Chest up, chest up. Good. Good. Pull, pull. Pull. You're doing 4. Chest up. Good. Good. Come on. Good. Come on. Pull all the way inside. All the way inside. There you go. All the way. Good. Come on. Come on. Come on. He said this is real light. Come on. Come on. 5 more. 1. Go. 2. 3. Come on. 4. Get down. Up and pause. Hold it. Good. Chest up. Good. Switch. There you go.
This will be my first year ever in this whole business.
Come on. Come on.
I got rid of 4 months last year. I've never had a full year. Like I said, I'm 270 right now.
Side more. Side more. And stop. Stop it. Pull all the way back. Pull all the way back. There you go. Did you feel that? Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Come on. All the way. All the way. Exaggerate the movement. There you go. There you go. Good. Good. One more. Up. Hold it. Chest up. Chest up. Good job. Good. Good control. Good control. Good. Right. Good. Go, go, go. Good. Good.
You know you're doing extra stuff.
Come on. Come on. Come on. 3 partials. Come on. Come on. 3. 1. Go. 2. One more. One more. One more. Elbows back. Good job. Good. 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 Pull. Good. Up. Hold it. One more, just like that. Just up. Just up. Good job. Come on. Come on. Come on. Focus. Good. Control. Control that top. There you go. Good. 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 Higher up on the weight. Higher up on your weight. There you go.
Good. Good. There you go.
There you go. We got Allison Frahn here. She's getting ready for the Olympia. She's Kuclo's trainer back home in Dallas. Showing him how it's done. Good, good. Good, squeeze. There you go. Good. Good job. One more. That's it. Sit down. So, as you can see, she's trying to thicken up her lats, so she's out. She's going to be doing some back workouts with us. Actually, she's been training a lot with Steve back home, and his beautiful fiance. But I just tell him whenever he gets as hard as her, he'll start winning shows. So always getting closer because obviously you win a show.
She's my inspiration to get hard. That doesn't sound good.
Yeah, no comment. No comment. Yeah, if JM's watching this, the garden snake's in full effect. The garden snake. Come on.
Also pay attention to the things that Hany's telling you to do, and I'm doing the same for you. That when you work home, practical.
Let's go, Steve. Let's go. Come on. There you go. Good. And over a little more, go a little higher, pull a little higher up, a little higher up. There you go, control though. Bend your elbows and control it. There you go. Good. Stretch, get your lats out. Get your lats out on the way down. Good. Get your lats out on the way down. There you go. Good. Come on. Come on. Good. Good. Two more. Good. Up. Pause. Good job. Let's do it from last stretch. Let's see how that. Hold it. Good. Better. You're starting.
Feel.
Stop. Good. Down. There you go. Good. Good. There you go. Come on, Allie. Come on.
Excellent.
Come on. Good. Drive. One more. Just up. Good. That's it. Good. Up. Okay. Let's do this. Yeah. Come on, Steve. Let's go. Come on. Focus. Let's go. Come on. Control that weight. Shoot. Good. 3. 5. Good. 6. Come on. Come on. 2. One more partial. One more. That's it. How'd that come? Come on.
There you go. Good. Very good. Very good.
Good. Come on.
Good.
Come on. Two more. Full. One more. That's it. Good.
I got pulled over on the way to the airport from traffic.
What do you mean?
I got pulled over in my rental car. So I drove an hour or 15 minutes from the airport to the hotel. And I was rushing back because
To Tyler or on the way back? Just
I got to
traditional.
the airport.
Okay. Come on.
Speeding apparently. Yep.
got it.
Come on. Control it, control it, control it. There you go. Go up, control it. Good. Come on. Come on.
Come on.
Come on.